Thanks for checking into this video. Today's topic is DraftSight's Ordinate Dimension Feature. Ordinate dimensions define perpendicular distances in relation to the location of the CCS icon, or 0, 0, which is great for defining the location of objects in more detailed spaces, like furniture in interior rooms. The Ordinate option is located under the dimension icon in the annotation section of the Home tab in the ribbon. When selected, DraftSight prompts you to specify your datum position, which is where you want the base point of your dimension to lie. You'll then choose your dimension position, which is the location of your distance label. Keep in mind that it's crucial to have one boundary corner of your design positioned at 0, 0. This way, your other ordinate dimensions will be meaningful to the readers of your drafts. If you're unsure how to move your CCS icon, check out my previous video on the subject. You may notice that when you insert your ordinate dimensions, they have a jog to them. If you dislike the jog, simply turn your ortho icon on. It's centered at the bottom of your DraftSight window, and your dimensions will be straight. Lastly, if some of your ordinate dimensions overlap due to similar heights or widths from the orientation point, just select one overlapping dimension and drag it to create a jog. So try ordinate dimensions out for yourself to do more with your DraftSight experience. If you're looking to learn more, visit the blog page or visit DraftSight.com.